请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes the band Feel. Two members, it's Liqi and Feifei, who are not Hakka, but they boldly ventured into creating a Hakka language album. Now this song, So Annoying, or Handeng Nao, is about the complications of love and how there's a lot of uncertainties and strain. So let's take a listen to the song. Handeng Nao 就是让人很烦恼的爱情啊！这是有感觉乐团2位成员菲菲还有Liqi所带的歌曲，你知道吗？他们其实不是客家人，却挑战客家专辑，非常厉害哦。然后呢，在这首歌里面去描述爱情产生的一些不确定啊、困惑啊，还有会面对到的挫败跟气馁，希望你们喜欢。Thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.